Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you these two emergency masks that you can use if you don't have anything else. First, I would like to show you a mask from a bandana, and then I'll show you a mask from an old shirt. First, I'll show you this bandana. You just need to hair tie and one bandana. If you have an old bandana, anything you can have, even if it's just a square fabric like that, like this, it will help just for emergency. First, you fold it like this and fold it in the other side and pull it more and fold it more. This is really thick, guys, because there's a lot of folding, so you still can breathe really good to it, but there's a lot of filter already. So you just put the hair tie in the end like that, and then on the other end like this, and you can just put it, insert in the other side so it's not too bulky in your mouth like that. So it's different. You can adjust it how do you like it fits, how it fits better in your face. And then now I'm gonna go put it on my mannequin. I have a mannequin here for when I went to school for hair cutting. So it fits really good on him, because usually maybe men like this one if they're not really. It's a lot better if you have a handkerchief like this. So this look like this. It's pretty comfortable. And here is the second one from my old 100% cotton shirt. This is really tight on me, so I'll just use it. So first you cut it in the bottom. You don't have to use the one in the hem area because it's thick and it's not stretched. Can't stretch it because there's a fold and like that. Then you cut a little, like a fourth of an inch, that. And cut the seam line there, and then you can make two. So you already have two string. You use that two string, and mine I'll just make it like 7 inches. You can adjust yours whatever or how thick. You can adjust yours of how thick you want it to be, so you can make it wider than this one. This one I'll just make it not really wide because I'm gonna put it in my girl mannequin. So here it's look like that. You put it the back side towards your face, and then you put the string like that, fold it like that, and then the other side fold it like that, and you can make it closer. It's depend how big is it, do you need it, how fit do you want it to your face. It's pretty comfortable because it's 100% cotton and it's good for your skin. It feels good for your skin. So just tie it in the top, and then that's it. You just put it here. I put it in my mannequin. Then you can put it in my mannequin like I put it in my face, like that. And you adjust it at top, adjust it as place it in the right position, and go get the other elastic in bottom, and the other string in the bottom, and pull it, and then I can pull it until it's in the right place. Then adjust it, and that looks good. It's pretty easy. There you go. There you have it. You got a emergency mask that you need. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comments and subscribe if you're not yet ready, and see you in my next video. Bye. Be safe.